Morning, guys. Liz is just going around there just to see if the monks are coming back around. So we give them like offerings and stuff, and we've already given a lot away to a lot of monks that have come through already, but we're just waiting. I think there's some more coming. Well, it better be, because I ain't eating this rice by myself anyway. So I'm hoping they're coming soon, and then you'll get to see them. I'm gonna try and do this discreetly, by the way, too, because I'm not too sure if we're allowed to use cameras, but we'll just do it anyway. Okay, yeah, just us two. So okay, so we've got a few more monks coming over. I've got a lot of rice, so I'm gonna have to go handy on this rice. Somebody. Okay, I'm gonna have to go. Oh, is this the last lot I've used? Okay, we're gonna have to go biscuits this time. Morning. Alright, we'll go that way this time. No, thank you. I've got enough. Oh, he's got heaps. Thank you. Morning. Oh, you got heaps of bickies. Morning, young man. Oh, you got no bickies, so you have some bickies. Oh, we got one more bicky. Oh. Oh no, I'm running out. Sorry guys, I'm running out. Oh no. I've got one more, sorry guys. I'll go you. Sorry fella, I got no more left. Oh, sorry, we out. Thank you. That was pretty cool. Okay, we had to get up at 5:15 in the morning because we were told they were going to come down at about 5:30, but I think they'll end up coming maybe 5:45. It was quite a cool experience. I don't know, I felt a little bit guilty, like I would be giving rice to some and then I'd be giving biscuits to another. So I don't know if the bickies were the nicer one or the rice was the nicer one. I even slipped in a couple of little notes for them as well. Laters. Okay, hey guys, we had a lady come by. She was selling like sugar canes and stuff as well, but you could also buy 2 birds, and then what you do is you let them go.
Set them free.
Set them free. She told me all I have to do was pull these down and then they fly away, so I'm going to try not to get scared at the same time. I think maybe
I'd hold it up here.
I'll hold it up here,
and then
maybe we'll let Liz.
Oh.
Okay.
You just pull them down, I think.
So we're just going to set them free now. Maybe. There goes one. See, look.
Cute. Aww.
There you go. There you go, young fella.
Yeah, let's have a look at them first.
The other one's gone, but...
Aw, off you go, little one.
I don't think he wants to leave us. Look.
Shall we keep him for a bit until he learns to fly?
Yeah, go outside that door. There you go. Fly. Maybe he can't fly.
Maybe not. That's what I mean. Let's keep him.
Shall we?
Yeah, let's keep him.
Do
Let's
you?
go and get a worm. Yeah.
He doesn't want to fly.
Nah, I know. We'll keep him as a pet. Because we haven't got any pets at the moment.
Sorry, Tomo and Mojo.
Oh, I wonder if he'll let me pet him. Hello. Oh yeah, let's keep him for a while.
Okay, Liz. The other bird flew away, but this one, he wants to stay with us by the looks of it. He doesn't want to go.
Aww. Off you go, little one. I don't want to like tip him out in case he can't fly. Because he is quite little.
Okay.
Little tiny baby ones. Whole thing's a spider web.
Oh, oh, sorry. Look, there's spiders. Look at these bees. So cool. What do you think of this waterfall, baby?
Beautiful.
We were just contemplating because we come up from the bottom and there were little ones, waterfalls, and we said these are probably not as good as Hooker Falls in New Zealand. And then we've seen this one. And I was like, yeah, this is better. It was beautiful. But hey, there's heaps of people here. Alright, I gotta move out of the way. Okay, this is Liz's first attempt at archery, and she's...
Yes!
You got it. Yeah, that's cool. I reckon we should get some more.
If you want.
Yeah, we will, probably.
Yeah, very cheap. So for 5 it is
10,000?
10,000, which is less than $1.
Okay. Yes! You got it. Yeah. Now we've got a professional archery here who's going to be on the Hunger Games soon.
Yeah, I quite like this thinking of the Hunger Games. It's not that hard.
Oh, maybe not that time though.
Alright, okay, Joe's turn now. So you pull that back, yeah. Here we go. Oh wow, he got it in first time! Man. Forget the 10-pin bowling, this is going to be us. Oh, even better. Oh, not quite, but pretty good.
Yeah, pretty good.
You still got it on the board.
I know, but not
I only got one. Oh, 2. Did I get 2? Yeah, I got 2 on the board. You got all 3. That's brilliant. Oh yeah, Hunger Games, here you come. You'll be able to feed us for a while. Get us some rabbits. Brilliant.
Let's see what my targets look like. Okay, we'll have a look at Liz's first. This one's Liz's. Actually, Liz has got a 5 and a 1 off. So she's actually, I've got a 3, another 3, a 4 and a 1 and a 1 at the bottom. So not too bad. Maybe we get some more. Because that's pretty cool. I like that. Should we go and ask him for some more?
Yeah, I'll go get some more.
Okay, what's up guys? Right, we're here and we're about to do some 10-pin bowling, Laos styles. I mean Laos styles, that's cool. So these are the pins. I think we just choose one of these balls here. Right, look at them. Yeah, they're in pretty good nick. I don't know if they roll back. I don't know how the scoring works. I don't know. I think we just go with the flow. About, we just gotta go and get some shoes. Yeah. And then we can get some beers if we want. Maybe.